welcome to BibiZoneTV. Have you ever dreamed of flying, turning invisible, or running faster than a rocket? Today on What If Wonders, we explore what life would be like if you had superpowers. Let's power up and begin. If we had superpowers, we could fly high above the clouds, just like superheroes. We'd zoom to school in seconds and see the whole world from above. Invisibility could help us sneak past bullies or surprise our friends with silly jokes. But we'd have to be careful not to cause too much mischief. With super strength, we could lift cars, carry our whole class, or even save people in danger. We'd become everyday heroes. We'd need a special school to learn how to use our powers wisely and kindly. Maybe our teachers would have powers too. Together, we could form a team and help make the world a better place. Because real power is in doing good. Which superpower would you choose? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on BibiZoneTV's What If Wonders.